Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am TFI, the Finance Intel. And basically on this channel, I go out there, I do the research, and I bring it back to you in simple, easy, step-by-step process on how you can easily leverage platforms to make money online. And basically on our channel, we've kind of hit a milestone, and thank you all guys for subscribing. So if this resonates with you, then by all means subscribe. Now, you already know that this channel is a faceless channel. And if you have been recently researching on how to run Faceless YouTube channel, then you must have definitely come across tons and tons of videos about faceless YouTube automation with AI. To tell you something, there are actually channels that are raking in a lot of cash with this particular method. For example, we have this Psyche Fix, and this particular channel is a faceless YouTube channel just utilizing AI to run their videos. And from Social Blade, you can see this is its estimated monthly earnings, which is quite fair for the size of the channel. And another one is this Others, which is more like a motivational channel. And you can see from the video, it is basically just utilizing random videos to a random stock footage and of course a voiceover to just create its videos. And per Social Blade, you can see how much it's earning on a monthly basis and on a yearly basis because the channel is, quite doing well for itself. Now, because of this, I actually went ahead to do my research. And I already have some experience running a YouTube channel and also faceless channel. So believe you me when I say that in this particular tutorial, I'm going to be showing you real actual strategies to create viral and profitable faceless YouTube videos using AI, meaning you don't have to do the work yourself. AI is doing the automation for you. Now, I'm going to be revealing some particular deep truths that many creators out there would not tell you, but I'm going to be revealing it in this video because a lot of people think AI is magic, but it's not. You have to use it right to get the results that you want, and which is why it's important for you to stick to this video to the end, because this video is literally going to encompass the kind of videos you have to upload, the best AI tool to utilize, how to even monetize this particular AI videos. Now let's get into the strategies. Now the very first strategy is to choose a niche. Now when I'm saying a niche, I'm not saying 2 niches, I'm not saying 3 niches. Your channel or your faceless YouTube channel is supposed to be about a single niche. Now, this particular niche you should be looking at is a niche that has a great potential with AI, right? Because not all niches do. On YouTube, there are several niches to explore, right? There are several. It is endless. But because we are talking about automation, we're talking about AI automation, you want to go for channel topics or channel niches that would appeal to a lot of people, even if it is AI. What you want to do, easy peasy, is you need to go to Gemini AI and you're going to give it this prompt. Now, the reason I'm using Gemini AI is because Gemini AI is literally a platform from Google. So definitely its reports and everything is going to be given you will be based on the data it has pulled out from Google, which is a good thing for us. Now, you want to go ahead and give it this prompt. Give me top 5 niche ideas for a faceless YouTube channel that appeals to a lot of people and always has the tendency to go viral. This niche must be able to be automated easily with AI and monetized for YouTube on AdSense. Now you're going to do that and Gemini AI is literally going to do its magic and give you. And you can see it has come up with several ideas. Now the reason we are choosing 15 niche ideas is because we want to have a broader scope, a broader understanding on the alternatives that we have and what we can do. Now, what I would advise or what I would suggest is that you choose a niche idea which you have a personal interest in, okay? So let's say we're choosing explainer videos. Now, before you just jump ahead and you go ahead for explainer videos, you want to go to YouTube and confirm that there is actually an audience for that niche. And basically, explainer videos are just breaking out complex topics. It could be about science, it could be about finance, it could be about technology, but in easy to understand visuals. Now, when you go ahead and you can see explainer videos, you can see this particular one has like 3.9 million views. You can see this is 39 million views. You can see 7.7 views, 377 views. Like all these are explainer videos showing you how to do something. But I'm not necessarily saying go for explainer videos, but I'm just giving you an ideology on what you should do when you are trying to find your particular niche idea. Now, the very next strategy I'm going to be sharing with you is that your videos should have the potential of being able to sell products from your channel. Meaning you should be able to monetize your channel, even if you're not making money or if you haven't started making money from AdSense yet. So you should be able to sell products on your channel in the future. So let's say niches under health, wealth, psychology, motivation, and the likes can easily create purposeful videos because this particular niches has a lot of people that have specific problems which these niches, through their videos, aim to fill or aim to solve. So you can come in to solve those problems either through an affiliate product or your own created product, on which in the two cases you are still making money from it. Now, this is another thing to consider, of course, when picking your niche or when creating your videos with AI. You want to make your videos valuable so that when you are pushing out a particular video, your audience will deem it fit as valuable also. Now, a single example is this particular YouTube channel. This is actually a Make Money Online YouTube channel. And you can see from the channel description, you can see it's talking about Pinterest, affiliate marketing. And you can see stuff like apply for mentorship. You can see my tools, and all these are affiliate links. This is the person's or the creator's own products where he's actually making money from. So he has given enough value such that when he puts or she puts out a product on for sale or for recommendation, people would literally be gravitated to buying that product. Now, the very third thing I'm going to be sharing with you, the very third strategy is scripting your content. Remember that this particular video is showing you strategies on how you can create viral, profitable, faceless YouTube channels with AI. Now we're not just talking about just creating videos, we're talking about sustainable YouTube channels. Now you want to script your content. So when you have generated your niche, you want to generate topics for your niche, for your content. And this is very important because you want to put out helpful content which can drive traffic to the other products you want to sell. And you do not have to necessarily do this yourself. Now simply go to Gemini AI, and so you simply go ahead and go to Gemini AI and you say, give me 100 viral video topics on number, let's say 2, depending on whatever number you pick, and a short script for each of them. Now you're going to go ahead and Gemini AI is going to go ahead and literally do its magic. Also, once we have imputed our prompt, Gemini AI is literally going to go ahead, do its magic, and give us our script. And that is easy peasy because you are literally not having to use your own brain, trying to crack your brain on the kind of scripts to write and everything, because this is basically automation. Now, the very fourth step is leverage on shorts. You know, I see a lot of people say that you can create a 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes long form videos 100% with AI, but literally these days, the attention span of people keep decreasing. And if you are looking to having consistent viral YouTube videos, honestly, shorts is the way to go because you can do that in a very short period of time. And YouTube actually pushed out shorts quite recently, and YouTube is actually on the side of shorts because they are literally looking for shorts to do well, since it's more like a new kind of thing they have pushed out into the platform. So literally you should expect your videos to skyrocket much easily. I actually experimented posting shorts for 30 days, and on one of those days I actually had over 26 million views. So this is actually achievable. And the way you can literally do that, because I'm going to be showing you how to generate this, how you can generate limitless or unlimited amount of shorts. I'm talking about 3 months worth of shorts. So now once you have scripted your content up under the topic ideas from Gemini AI, you want to go ahead and go to pictory.ai and you are going to generate your video. Now, pictory.ai actually gives you the opportunity where you can impute your script. You put it there and it generates the video based on the script that you have given it. So now basically we're going to copy out the script and we're going to go and paste it into Pictory AI so that it can generate a video for us. We're going to click the proceed icon here. And now the video is going to be created in a matter of seconds. I'm going to be showing you the video now.
Are you a person frantically searching for your phone, looking stressed? Your password is your first line of defense, but it's not enough. In today's digital world, hackers are always looking for ways to steal your identity. That's where two-factor authentication comes in. Think of it as adding a second lock to your front door. With two-factor authentication, you need not only your password, but also a second form of verification. This could be a code sent to your phone, a fingerprint scan, or even facial recognition. By enabling this extra layer of security, you're making it significantly harder for unauthorized users to access your accounts. Whether it's your email, bank, or social media, protect yourself from cyber threats. Be surrounded by digital shields.
Now, the beautiful thing about this Pictory AI is that if you do not like a particular scene, you can go ahead and easily edit that scene to your likeness. Now, the next thing you want to do is go ahead, go to YouTube, and you want to schedule all that shots. You're going to want to schedule it and schedule as much as you want. Now, a very quick tip I would give that I would suggest is to schedule your shorts, your YouTube shorts, to have it posted every day or every 2 days max, consistently and a consistent specific time. So you want to schedule it. If you are doing every 2 days, it must be every 2 days. And if you are doing it by 2 p.m., it must be 2 p.m. every 2 days. And you are going to see the amazing skyrocketing in your video and in your channel in a matter of weeks. The fifth strategy I'll be giving you is to add some uniqueness to your videos. Now, you may have been advised in maybe different videos from other creators to upload directly these videos to YouTube. Now, if you want to make money selling solely from affiliate products or your own personal products, then that is totally fine because you're not bothered about the money you're going to be making off the YouTube platform itself. But if you want to monetize, then you need to add some uniqueness to your videos. Because if you don't do this, even if you get monetized, you may struggle with frequent demonetization in the future. And this is just the honest truth. Now, I would recommend using your own voiceover. For example, you can go ahead, put out this video, and use your own voice as a voiceover. And you can also switch your script based on your own experience. So whatever Gemini AI has given you, you can go ahead before you insert it into Picture AI, you can go ahead and switch a little bit of things based on your own personal experience to make it very real and connect more with the audience. But if you're worried, as per the voice aspect, if you're worried on how your voice may sound in the video, then no worries. You simply go to 11 Labs because 11 Labs has a feature where they call speech synthesis, speech to speech, where you can easily upload your video or you can record your video. And basically, what 11 Labs will do is that it is going to fine tune your voice to a much more sophisticated version, which will be even more pleasant to the ears with your video. Now, the sixth strategy I'm going to be giving you, and this is not just for faceless channels, this is for even all channels. I would suggest that in the course of making your videos and creating your channel, making it go viral, go and read up YouTube community guidelines, YouTube policies, YouTube monetization policies. You want to go out there and feed yourself with all of that content because YouTube keeps updating their policy. And because you do not want all this hard work, all the work you've put into it, because even as much as it is AI, it is automated. You are still going ahead to type in the prompts. You're going ahead to schedule the videos. You do not want all this hard work to go to waste by getting either demonetized, flagged for copyright infringement, or even banned. I'm not saying this to scare you, but the best thing would be to go ahead and familiarize yourself with this content so it can guide you while making your videos. And honestly, these are one of the very top strategies that you may not hear anyway. But if you are running a faceless YouTube channel and you want it to be sustainable in the long run, then you must definitely follow these strategies. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and smash the like button. Leave a comment where you're watching from. Leave a comment if you have a faceless channel, if you have started a faceless channel, or if you would like to start a faceless channel. Just type it there. I would like to know. And also, if you have any questions, please by all means ask it in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply to all your questions. And also, do well to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to hit the bell notification so when next I drop a new video, you'll be the first to see it and join the family. Stay tuned and bye.